Have you ever wondered why a man who once seemed so interested suddenly pulls away? Have you ever felt confused why he does not express his emotions just the way you do? What if I told you men have these deep unspoken desires that they would want women to understand, but they will never say it out loud? Most women try to figure out men based on what they think men want. But today I'll reveal exactly what men crave, what are the turn-offs, and how you can become the woman he never wants to lose. So stay with me till the end because what I'm about to share will change the way you see men forever. Do you feel like you're doing everything right but men still don't commit? Have you ever been ghosted or you felt like he suddenly became distant? Do you wish men would just say what they want instead of sending you mixed signals? If you said yes to any of these, don't worry. By end of this video, you will know exactly what is in a man's mind and how you can attract a high value man who cherishes you. Hello my beautiful queens, this is Sonali Vandal, your relationship love coach, here to help you attract emotionally available men, create deep connections and design the love life you truly deserve. Now let's get into the 11 unexpected things men secretly wish women knew. Number 1. Men are not as emotionless as you think. There is a misconception that if men don't talk about their feelings, that means he does not care. The reality is, men have emotions, but society teaches them to hide their vulnerability. When he shares something small, appreciate it. Instead of forcing him to open up, I want you to create a safe space for him to share his feelings. Number 2. Men fall in love with respect and admiration. The biggest turnoff you can do to a man is criticizing him in public, making fun of his dreams, and acting superior. Make him feel respected, make him feel valued, like a strong, capable man. I want you to compliment on his intelligence, on his decisions, on his efforts. I want you to show him that you trust his leadership, show him that you support his ambitions. Number 3. Men want to chase, but they also want to feel chosen. One of the mistake which you can do is to play hard to get and to make him do all the work. Now, what a balance looks like is a high value man loves the thrill of pursuit, but he also wants to feel appreciated. Now, what you can do is you can flirt playfully, but also show him that you enjoy his presence. Send him signals that you like him back without overchasing. Number 4. Men crave peace, not drama. Now, when there is argument, emotional outbursts, or unnecessary fights, it's the biggest turnoff for a man. When a woman brings calmness and joy into his life, it's the biggest turnoff. Now, instead of nagging, I want you to express concerns in a calm and loving way and focus on fun, playful, and easygoing moments. Number 5. Men fear being controlled or losing their freedom. Clinginess, over possessiveness, or trying to change him will turn him off. Giving him the space to miss you will make him come back stronger. Instead of forcing closeness, have your own life, hobbies, and goals. When he feels free with you, he will naturally choose to be with you. Number 6. Men need physical and emotional connection. If you are thinking that love is only about deep talks or serious emotions, then that is a mistake. The reality is men also need playfulness, fun, and chemistry. Tease him, laugh with him, bring out his playful side. Small physical touches like adjusting his collar will create a deeper bond. Number 7. Men will only commit to a woman who understands him. The problem is many women assume what men want instead of truly listening. The solution is learn to speak his love language and understand his emotions. I want you to make him feel like he can be his true self around you. Ask thoughtful questions, okay, about his dreams, his interests, his fears, his thoughts. Number 8. Men feel deeply when they are the hero in your life. Don't be that woman who never appreciates his efforts. He starts to feel better when he feels that he's making your life better. Appreciate his small gestures, even if it might seem small. Let him help you sometimes. Men love to feel needed. Number 9. Men are attracted to women who love themselves. Do not depend on a man for your happiness or validation. A confident woman who values herself is magnetic. I want you to invest in your self-care, your personal growth, your own happiness. Set standards and never settle for less than you deserve. Number 10. Men want a partner, not a mother. Men love a woman who allows him to take responsibility for his own actions. If you're nagging, micromanaging, or treating him like a child, don't do that. Let go of control. Let him be a grown man. Be his teammate, not his teacher. Number 11. Men want a woman who uplifts him, not drains him. You know what kills the attraction? Negative, critical, complaining attitude. A positive, vibrant woman always inspires a man to be better. When you radiate happiness, you attract the best in him. Be fun, optimistic, joyful, full of life. Most women think they know what men want. But the truth is, men have silent desires that they rarely voice. If you master these 11 principles, you will become the woman a high value man will never want to lose. Now tell me in the comments which point surprised you the most and share your thoughts. If you learned something new, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my next video. Share this with your bestie so that even she can attract the right man in her life. Until next time, stay high value, stay magnetic, and I'll see you in the next video.